Good morning, grade 2s. For maths for Thursday, you're going to be doing 2 worksheets. Worksheet 1, you're going to do addition. You're going to add 2-digit and 1-digit numbers in columns. Remember, you start adding from the units column. So you're going to copy the sums on a paper as is here, and then you're going to add them together. Remember, the units column is the column at the back. Okay? So if you look at number 1, it says 48 plus 8. So you're going to start counting from the units column, which is where it says 8 plus 8. So 8 plus 8 gives you 16. If you look at the number 16, it's got a 10 and a 6. The 10, the 1 is the tens column, and the 6 is the units column. So the 6 must go under the 8s. So you'll write the 6 under the 8s, and the 1 from 16, which stands for 10, must go next to the 4, because the 4 stands for 40. So you're going to add 1 plus 4, and that gives you 5. So the 5 you write under the 4. Number 2, 66 plus 6. Again, you start adding from the units column. 6 plus 6 gives you 12. If you look at 12, the 2 is the unit, so the 2 will go under the 6s. And then the 1 from 12 stands for 10. That must go into the tens column. That's where 60 is. So you put the 1 next to the 6. You add 1 plus 6 gives you 7, and the 7 you write under the 6. Number 3, again start adding from the units column. 6 plus 2 gives you 8. You write the 8 under the 6 and the 2. There's no number under the 5, so you imagine that's a 0. So you say 5 plus 0 is 5, and the 5 just moves down. So you're going to do the same for all the other numbers. If you struggle, you can ask mommy or daddy to help you. I know it's a new concept, but I have faith in you guys that you will do it perfectly. Okay. Then for worksheet 2, you're going to be skip counting in 20s and going to complete the 100 chart. So if you count in 20s, the pattern is similar to counting in 2s. When you count in 2s, you count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So the pattern for counting in 20s are similar to counting in 2s. There's just a 0 after the number. So I'm going to do the first line with you, and then the rest of the numbers you can do by yourself. So the first line is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. So you just go on until you've completed all the numbers up until 980. Then I also want to explain to you what you're going to be doing for mental maths. I did tell mommy and daddy they must use the worksheet that you did yesterday for your mental maths. So it will be this one where we did the place value. We had to give the value of the underlined digit. So for the test, mommy or daddy will give you the number, let's say number 2, 19. And then they'll ask you, if you look at the number 19, what is the value of the 1? And then you have to write down 110 or 10. Okay. Another example will be, let's say number 7, 471. And they ask you, if you look at the number 471, what's the value of the 4? Then you have to write down 4 hundredths or 400. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing for the mental maths test for tomorrow. Okay, good luck, and I'll speak to you again on Monday. Love you. Bye.